G'day guys, how you going? Welcome to Teach Together Try. Today we are looking at, our learning intention is learning to multiply decimals, Okay, and here we go. Here's our success criteria, guys. Look, there's the typical sum that we're going to be looking at, and here's the tips. Number one, we're going to keep our numbers in columns, and I guess that means the place value column. So here's your units, here's your tenths, here's your hundredths, okay? We're going to lock in the decimal place. The decimal place is there, so it's going to be down here. It is not going to move, it is going to be locked in decimal places, never move. 3, then we're going to complete the sum as normal. Okay, let's have a go. Okay, here we are in the teach phase, and here we go. Here's a great sum. We just did this one, didn't we? 5.25 times 6. Now, if you remember, our success criteria said a few things. It said to keep the numbers in their columns. So, I'm going to just draw these columns. You don't have to, but I'm going to be pretty tough about keeping my numbers in their columns. It also said to lock in the place value. Sorry, lock in the decimal point. So there's the decimal point. We're going to lock in that there as which is exactly where it should be, exactly below where it is up here. And then our third little bit of the success criteria was to do the sum as normal. So here we go. 6 times 5 is 30, put down the 0, carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 3 is 15, put down the 5, carry the 1. 6 times 5 is 30, plus the 1 is 31, so 31. And there's the decimal point locked in. So your answer is 31.50. Okay? It's easy, isn't it? You've just got to keep those numbers in their place value columns. You've just got to lock in that decimal point, and then you just do it as per normal. Okay, let's do one together. Okay, here we are in the together phase, guys. We're going to do this together, so you're going to do it with me. So make sure you're writing this down. You should have copied down the other one as well, actually. But make sure you're writing this down as well. Right, what's the first thing that we do? Okay, I hope you said to draw your little columns. There's nothing wrong with drawing your columns. I'll be drawing those columns for sure. Okay, what's the next thing we do? You've got to lock in something. What are we locking in? It never moves. It's locked in. It's the decimal point. So there's that one there already. Let's draw that a bit bigger. Let's lock in our decimal point here. There it is. Okay. Now we're ready to do the sum as per normal. Okay. So 7 times 1 is, hope you said 7. 7 times 3 is, hope you said 21. Put down the 1, carry the 2. 7 times 6 is, hope you said 42. Plus the 2, so you write down here, 44, don't you? There it is. And our answer is 44.17. Okay, here we are. We are in the try phase, which means you're going to try it all on your own. 4.65, let's make that decimal point a bit larger. 4.65 times 8. Have a go. Pause me, have a go, and let's see how you went. Okay. Hope you paused me. Pause, click. Okay, I hope you paused me, and I wonder if this is what you did. I wonder if you popped in those columns there. Maybe you popped them in invisibly. That's fine if you did. And let's go. 8 times 5 is 4. Oh, lock in the decimal point. Silly me. Didn't forget that. 8 times 5 is 40. Put down the 0. Carry the 4. 8 times 6 is 48, isn't it? Plus the 4 is 52. Put down the 2. Carry the 5. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 5 is 37, so there you go. There's your answer. I wonder if you got 37.20. I think that's right. This has been Teach Together Try. We've been multiplying decimals. I hope it's been some help. See you later.